Hello everyone, welcome in the general knowledge class. Today we will discuss two topics. First one is the global test and the second one is the bright dates. So let us start with the first one, that is the global taste. All of you know that daily we are eating so many things, cereals, fruits, vegetables and Chinese food and many things we are eating. So today we have to discuss that which food is belonging to which country, is the famous of which country. So first of all, there is the heading is the word famous food dishes. The first one is the noodles. The noodles is the famous food dish of China. From China country, this food came to our country and spread in many other countries. But it is a famous food of China. So noodles are famous food of China. Second is the pasta. So pasta is famous food of Italy. To which country? Italy pasta is famous, very famous. Next is tacos. Tacos belongs to Mexico. It is the famous food of Mexico. Tacos is the famous food of Mexico. Next one is the green curry. So green curry is famous food of Thailand. Students, I have given the main picture or the images of that country so that you can understand it better. So green curry is famous food of Thailand. Now next one is shawarma. It is famous food of Arab countries. This food is very famous in Arab countries. And next is donut. Donut is famous food of United States of America, USA. Donuts are famous food of USA, United States of America. Next one is paella. Paella is famous food of Spain. This food is very common in Spain. This is hamburger. Hamburger is very famous food of Germany. This is a very famous image of the country, Germany. So hamburger is very famous food of Germany. Now, with these food items over, now we will come to the next chapter. The name of the next chapter is Bright Brains. Bright Brains. In this chapter, we will study about different scientists, inventors, and their inventions. They have invented many new things which we know, but we don't know that which scientist invented it. In this chapter, we will study about some famous scientists, inventors, and their inventions. So let us study some difficult words, some new words for you are coming in this chapter. So first of all, we will discuss about that. The first one is gravity. So what is gravity? The force that pulls two objects towards each other. The force that pulls two objects towards each other, that is called gravity. Students, all of you know about magnet and iron. When you bring the magnet near the iron is attracted or pulled towards the magnet. So which force is attracting the iron towards the magnet? That force is called gravity. Our earth is also having the gravitational force, because whenever we will throw any ball upside or anything upside, automatically it is coming down. Why it is coming down? It is coming down due to gravitational force of our earth. Earth is having gravitational force. Due to that force, everything is coming towards Earth. Now next is optics. The science of light is called optics. Meteorology, the study of atmosphere and the weather is called meteorology. The study of atmosphere and the weather is called meteorology. Number 4, patent. The right of the inventor to make, use, and offer for sale his inventions is called patent. Students, when any scientist invent anything, it is the right of the inventor that he will use it or he will sell it. That is called the patent right. Number 5, phonograph. Machine able to record and play back sound is called phonograph. Machine able to record and play back. Recording also and playback also. That is called phonograph. So these are some new terms, or you can say difficult words for you. The first one is the gravity, optics, metrology, patent, and phonograph. So these terms are used in the above discussions or explanations. So let us start with the first scientist. The name is Galileo Galilei. You can recognize from the picture of this Galileo. He is famous astronomer. He is mathematician also, and he invented telescope. The first of all, the telescope invention was done by the Galileo. He was very famous astronomer. He studied about the space. He invented telescope. He was the inventor of the telescope. The name is Galileo Galilei. The next one is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was a very famous scientist. He developed some theories. The theory of gravity, the law of motion, and calculus. These three theories and the developments are done by the Isaac Newton. He was very famous scientist. He did lot of work, and his discoveries and inventions are very popular in our physics. He gave the theory of gravity, the law of motion, and calculus. These three are developed by the scientist that the name is Isaac Newton. Now the next one is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is a statesman and inventor. His famous experiments are in electricity, cooling, metrology, printing, and wave theory of light. He did lot of experiment. His famous experiments belongs to the field of electricity, cooling, metrology, printing, and wave theory of light. And he is very famous statesman and inventor. He never patented his inventions. He keep his inventions open for the other scientists to use it and to find out other things in the broader way. He never patented his inventions. He did lot of inventions, but never patent his inventions. Other scientists can freely use his inventions. The name is Benjamin Franklin. Now next one is the Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was English scientist. He discovered evolution. The theory of evolution was discovered by him. Most known for his theory of evolution. His theory of evolution is very popular and mostly he is known for this theory. He belongs to US and he was a English scientist and very popular discoverer. His name is Charles Darwin. Next one, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison, a greatest inventor. Over 1,000 patents on his name. Whatever he invented, he gave it patent. He was having more than 1,000 patents. And he is famous for light bulb, phonograph, and motion picture. He is very famous for these three inventions. But he did many inventions. Thomas Alva Edison is very famous for the light bulb, the bulb we are using nowadays. That is invented by Thomas Alva Edison. And his phonographic sound, record player and sound playbacks, very famous, and motion pictures. For these three inventions, he is very famous, but he invented many things and he is having more than 1,000 patents on his names only. Now next one, Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein. All of you recognize the picture of Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a very famous scientist. In 1915, he gave theory of relativity. In 1921, he got Nobel Prize for Physics. He was the winner of Nobel Prize. He got Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921 and in 1915, he gave the theory of relativity. The scientist's name is Albert Einstein. Now, with this, only these scientists and the inventors are in your book. Now, let us study some questions related to these scientists. The first one is, Galileo Galilei is best known for the invention of which scientific instrument? He discovered telescope. Which instrument he discovered? That is telescope. Number two, who discovered gravity when he saw an apple falling from the tree? The name of the scientist is Newton, Isaac Newton. When he saw one apple, when he was lying under a tree, he saw one apple fall from the tree and come down. Then he thought that why the apple comes down towards the earth. Then he think. From that point, he got the theory of gravity. That what is gravity? What is the force of gravity? The name is Isaac Newton. Now next, number three, which word describes the right of an inventor to make use and offer for sale his invention? Understand this question. Which word describes the right of an inventor to make use and offer for sale his invention? The word is patent. Number four, Charles Darwin came up with the idea that all living things change slowly over thousands of years. What did he call this change? This change is called evolution. He found out that slowly over thousands of the years, there are some changes are there. So what are these changes called? These changes are called evolution. Now next one, this inventor has over 1,000 patents in his name. His first name is Thomas. What is his last name? His last name is Edison. Now, meteorology is the study of atmosphere and weather. Students, with this, your exercise of this chapter is over. So I think all of you understand it. Thank you and have a nice day.